Hello there, viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Losing weight is challenging, especially the stubborn belly fat that refuses to go away quickly and takes no time to show up. It is essential to lose your belly fat, considering it is associated with many health conditions related to the heart. While exercise is one way to cut on the waistline flab, it is equally important to watch your diet. A healthy and balanced diet is the key to losing weight, that healthy way. To lose your belly fat, there are some herbs that you should include in your daily regime. Make sure you follow these essential remedies to get effective results. These herbs give an extra boost in helping you burn that stubborn belly fat. Number 1. Chinese tea. Tea drinking is very popular in China. Many people in China drink tea every day. Research suggests that the polyphenols from oolong tea, green tea, black tea, or pu'er tea help to increase weight loss and fat burn even in the presence of a high-sugar diet. One type of these polyphenols, called catechins, may help keep your metabolism from slowing down as you lose weight. What you choose to drink every day is as important as what you eat in any healthy diet. Ask yourself one question: how many calories can you cut from your diet if you replace soda with tea? There are also different types of slim Chinese teas in the market. They may promise to deliver quick results. If you look at the list of ingredients carefully, you will find senna leaf. Senna leaf is known as fan zai in Chinese medicine. It is a natural laxative that is used to treat constipation or clear the bowels before a medical procedure such as a colonoscopy. Laxatives temporarily reduce body weight because they encourage loss of water, indigestible fiber, and waste. They work in the large intestine after most of the food and calories are absorbed by the small intestine. You may feel more skinny after taking laxatives, but it is mainly caused by dehydration, which comes back as soon as the body is rehydrated. Number 2. Dandelion. Dandelion tea is said to benefit your body in multiple ways. It is a diuretic by nature and is responsible for removing toxins from your body. The detoxification process helps reduce water weight and eases bloating. Number 3. Germer. An Ayurvedic herb, Germer helps in suppressing your appetite. Fresh leaves of Germer can be chewed and are known to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Before moving to the next, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 4. Coriander. Drinking coriander juice helps you lose weight. It boosts your metabolism rate, helping you burn more calories. If you don't like the taste of the juice, add 1 dash of lemon juice to make it better and more effective. Number 5. Guggle. Guggle promotes the utilization of fat as fuel to provide energy and boost your metabolism. You can have this herb with a glass of water or milk or a teaspoon of honey. Number 6. Trafala. Trafala is one of the best remedies for your stomach problems. So, if you suffer from constipation or other stomach problems, it may help you to manage them better. Drink a glass of hot water and a teaspoon of Trafala 1 hour after dinner to get effective results. Number 7. Peppermint. Peppermint supports good digestion and keeps your metabolism under control. These two factors are the key to weight loss. So take 1 cup of peppermint tea every day and sip it with 1 dash of lemon juice. So here we end up for today. Will you start consuming these medicines? Let us know in the comment section below. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.